Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find the maximum number in an integer array in Java. So let's get started. So first, I'm going to create a Java class. I'll name it find max. Then we are going to create our main method. Here, first I'm going to initialize our array. So I'll put some random numbers here. 12, 4, 13, and 17, 10, 15. Yeah. So we are going to find the maximum number in this array. So our output should be 70. So first I'm going to create a variable to store the maximum number. I'll name that variable maxnum and I will not initialize it. Then we are going to find the maximum, and we can find the maximum only if the array length is more than 0. That means there should be at least one element. Here we have more than one element, but in a case if you don't know the elements inside the array, you may need to check these. And if there is at least one element, then we can store the first number as our maximum number. Then I'm going to go through the array. I want to iterate from 0 to the amount of array length. Then I'm going to store the maximum from the current max and the current element in the array we are looking at. So here what happens is that in this line we store 10 for maximum number. Then actually, since we are storing the first element, we can start this with 1 as well, but here I keep 0. Then when I equal 0, maximum is 10 and the array value we are checking is 10. So there is no change in the maximum number. Then when I equals 1, maximum is still 10. Then the other is 5. So again maximum is 10. So check for the other one as well. The next one. Now maximum is 10 and the value we are checking is 12. So at this moment maximum number will be changed from 10 to 12. So next, when I equals 3, we are checking 12 and the current value we are checking is 4. So no change in the maximum, and this will go on, and when we come to when we check this, it will assign as the maximum and it will keep as it is. So let's print this and see whether our output is correct. Let's run. Yeah, maximum number is 70. So that's how we are going to find maximum in an array. I hope you found this video helpful and understandable. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more programming tutorials. Thank you.